The number of microchips that are made and used worldwide is 1 trillion. Half of the number comes from Taiwan, the second largest semiconductor manufacturer in the world. From wafer to microchips. From 7 nanometers mature processing to 3 nanometers most advanced processing. We hold the key technologies and the tools of making it. Wafer fabrication requires a very demanding environment. A high vacuum chamber is the cornerstone of the processing equipment. Full Precision has the technology and capability to weld large aluminum alloy and stainless steel vacuum chamber, and high-precision machining technology to achieve the vacuum condition required for semiconductor processing. The key to make large cavities is the 5-axis machining center from Willy. Super rigid machine body, together with high-performance 5-axis head, controller and various tool holders, can perfectly fulfill the task of large cavity tooling. Besides the environment, the processing technology is also very important. The ultrasonic assisted machining technology of Dongtai, capable of high precision and high efficiency wafer dicing, improves efficiency and simultaneously reduces carbon emissions. Using laser technology to improve wafer yield by repairing defective spots. EMC laser trimming equipment from Contrelv provides an advanced package integrity fixing solution and edge trimming to improve subsequent processing accuracy. High-precision wafers are transported by highly efficient and stable automated equipment. Sanwa Engineering provides semiconductor-specific solutions. Fully automated wafer transportation machine, which can be selected according to customers' needs. Optimized robot trajectory for fast and stable product delivery. CFD fluid mechanics analysis verification ensures wafers are safe from contamination. With all-around dedication, we can take on every challenge regarding chip manufacturing. This is why we are the world's best semiconductor manufacturer base, Taiwan.